Right. Today we are going to discussing SQL introduction and some languages, how it is going to working, why it is required SQL, what are the things we can able to do it in SQL level. These are all the scenarios we can see. Okay. So SQL is nothing but a structured query language. It's called as a one of the language. Here what we can do, we can define your database. We can manipulate your database. We can retrieve your database and then we can control it. Okay. These are the things we can do. Defining means what? So you are going to defining what? What we are going to defining? Right. Something you are going to defining, right? So defining means now defining what? See, suppose I want to store something into the database. Just I want to store some data into database, some data, anything, some data into database. How we can store now? How we can store? Where we can store? Suppose, see, simply I need to store the S number is 10. Okay. Again, S name is some name, KK Rao. Okay. And date of birth and date of joining DOJ. System date, today date. How we can today suppose 18th of SCP 2014. Now tell me how I can store this data into the database. So first we have to define your structure, right? You need to define the database structure. Define the database structure. Structure, how you can define your table? You can create your table. Defining means create your table. Table structure, table. Okay. Now here we are going to creating the table. How we can create? We have the some syntax of that create table name. Create table name. Suppose XX underscore students. Okay, students. Now this is next column name. Column 1 data type. Data type and then size. Got it right? This is going to size of the field. Data type and size. Here we can give the column size. And then column 2. Again, now what we did? Only first column. Now column 2. Now column 2 means what is a column, what is a row? We will see that later differences. Data type. Right. Again size. Size of the column. Sorry, size. Here also size of the column. Like that, how many columns we can take? N number of columns we can take. So on. Column N. Finally, column N. N number of columns. And data type. And then size. You can give the size of that table. Now we can end with this quotations here. Now tell me, sir, how to create? Now here create table name. This is create table name. Non-text x underscore student. It's a table name.
So whatever be the table name.
Pardon? That is the name of the table. Name of the table. Whatever you want, you can give it the name. Create table. Table names, it's the custom tables. It's meaningful tables. Okay, you should not give away all the things here. Suppose my client is ITC XX ITC underscore. Now the data is PO. Okay, data, PO data. Okay, PO interface data, or else suppose any PO seeded data like that. PO data stage table, staging table. Now you can give it
Okay.
as your columns, everything like that. Okay, here one more table I am giving, create or sorry, create table name is xx underscore students. Now here the s number. What is the data type s number? Number is going to stored in number data type only. Okay,
Mm,
number no need to give the sizes. It by default it will
okay.
take the number only. Now you can go with the new line. S name. S name we can give it as a varchar2 character. Its name is always character. Why varchar2 is required? Character also it's possible. Char and varchar and varchar2. We have three different type of data types. Character is a fixed length character. Suppose if you put char of 10, only can able to do it, it will going to using for 10 characters. You are not reused that size. Char of 10 means it is suppose you stored it to 5 variables, remaining 5 is going to unnecessarily it is wasted. Okay. Next, varchar means it will support you to character as well as number. Okay, both it will support. Okay, now one more is varchar2. That will is going to varchar is supported for 2000 bytes. It's varchar2 it will going to supported for 4000 up to 4000. Now here we can give it as a varchar2 size. Varchar2 of some size. Anything we can give it size. 30. Only can able to store 30 characters of S name. Now joining date. JOB. Joining date. Date should be date data type. Okay. These are the now these three columns we can take it and you can create your table. Now you define your table. Correct, right? Let me go. Uh, right. Now once you logged in, connect to Toad. Right. Now you can sorry. So you can execute your table structure. See, forget about how many number of columns are there. As per your requirement, you can create the table based on that all. Okay. Here I am taking only 3 columns. If it is more columns are there, you can take it more. Now see, control enter we can do in the Toad, or else you can execute statement. Now here it is showing table created. Right. How to query the table? Select statement. Select star from your table name. XX underscore students. Students. Right. Is there any data is there?
No.
S number, S name, joining date is there. There is no data as of now. Right. Now, how to, now your structure is ready. Table structure is ready. So next what we need
Mm-hmm.
to do? Now
Data.
table structure, defining the language. Defining means you can define your table structure. Everything, wherever we can going to using the create, it should be coming under. Now see, keep on mind, what are the DDL means? Data definition language. Data definition means what it is coming under? Create. Create of what? Create
Data.
table. Okay. Create table. View. Tables we can create. What are the things we can create? Create sequence. Okay. Create synonym. Okay. Create what? Views. Create materialized views. Materialized views. And create indexes. Indexes. Okay. What else? Partitions. Partitions. Okay.
Triggers.
Yeah, it will come. Those all we can SQL level we can create this. Create procedures, functions, packages, triggers. Okay, so many. Wherever you are using create, it comes under DDL statements
DDL.
only. DDL statements only. Always keep on mind in the syntaxes. Now your create table is done. So what you did, you define your structure. What is the structure you want? You are going to defining now. After that, what we need to do? We need to manipulate the data. Means first we need to insert the data into the table. We have some syntaxes insert statements. Insert. This is comes under
DML.
DML, data manipulation. DML statements. Okay. Now how to do syntax is insert into table name, table underscore name. After that what we need to do? Column 1, column 1, comma, column 2, so on, column n, and then values of what? Column 1, val 1, comma, val 2, so on, val n. Okay. Now this is one of the syntax. One more syntax is directly we can use it values. If you know the columns, insert into table name, table underscore name, table name. What we can do, sir? Value 1, directly value 1. There is no columns. Means the value automatically it is going to what is the column is there, first column it will go. So on, value n means value n. Like this it will work. One more insert syntax is insert into table name, table underscore name. Here, see this now, table name. Now here we can take it. Ampersand of column 1. This is ampersand of value 1 or column 1. Ampersand of column 1, comma, ampersand of and symbol column 2, column 1. Like this we can go. If it is character, you need to put the single quotes. Single quotes. If it is, when we are inserting, I am talking about inserting. Okay, right. We have total 3 type of insert statements we have. Now, can I insert one record into our table? Insert into table name is xx underscore students. Students. What is the columns? S number, comma, S name, comma, DOD. Now tell me one thing, Srikanth. Now see, here it is. Values are what now? values are let me one thing, 10 values is 10, single quotes only we need to give, right? Name kk, kkr. Now date is today date, 6th date. Control enter. Why? job
JOB. JOD.
jod, right? One row is inserted, right? Shall I start from xx underscore student? See, the record is there. Now can I change the sequence of this? Now s name is there, instead of s name jod I am putting. Now s name is I am going to putting end. Now it will work. What is this?
Oh, we have numerical, non-numeric character.
Correct only, right? Simple scenario. What is this? This is a date format value. Date format value is trying to inserting into s name. What is the s name data type? What is the s name data type?
Name only.
S name data type. When you are creating table at that time, what is the data type I am giving? Varchar2.
Varchar 2.
Varchar2 of 30. But what it is going to inserting now? Date.
This date.
Is it possible to insert the date format level character value in character level? So it will give the error.
No.
Understood? So you need to follow the same sequence when you are inserting the records. Same sequence you need to follow in inserting also. Understood?
Okay.
So this is very, very important. If you are going to inserting, suppose 200 columns, 300 columns, at that time what we can do? We have to follow the same scenario, same sequence you can follow. Right, now you can change it. Okay, now sequence is going to change into 11. Inserted, one row is inserted. Right, now how many records are there? 2 records are there. Are you clear now? Now this is inserted your data. Now my client is asking to add one more column, that is as a marks. Now tell me, sir. Now suppose client has asked to add one more column. Add one more column in the table xx underscore students. The column name is marks.
Okay.
Marks in the table. How we can do, sir? Now this table already there. The table is data also there. Now the client is requirement is changed. See, the business is going to change automatically, right? So now they want to add marks column here. How we can add?
Insert into command only, marks.
Insert. Hello.
Add.
What add? How to add?
Students.
You got the scenario, right? Simple scenario. The table is already existed. The record is already exists. The data is also already existed. Now according to the business, now it is going to adding new column. That column name as a marks. In which table you need to add? You need to add into xx underscore students table. Are you clear now? How we can add? You can use alter table. Okay, table name, table underscore name, add column name, column underscore name. Okay, data type, and then size. Clear? Now tell me, alter table. Table name is xx underscore
Students.
students.
And
Students. Add. Column name is what? Marks.
marks.
Marks. What is the data type? Marks. Number only, right?
Hmm.
It's column added. Now see here, xx underscore students. Now see, new column is coming, right?
Hmm.
Like this.
Yeah.
Now, can I execute now insert statement here? After that.
Yeah, we
So,
can.
if I
Hmm.
try, one row is inserted.
Hmm. 0 comma marks.
Right. Now, if it is one row is inserted, now marks also we need to insert, right?
Uh,
Now, suppose I am taking after job marks. Marks. What is this error, sir?
Not enough values.
Not enough values means columns are more, values are less.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Right. Okay.
How many columns are there? Four columns are
Four
there. When
columns.
values are
Values are three only.
three only, right?
Hmm.
Let me go again. So this type of errors commonly it is coming when you are going to working. Okay. Now
Hmm.
what is this error? The above error is not enough
Not
values. Okay, keep in mind.
hmm.
What is this one?
Too many values.
Why it is coming?
Columns are less and values are more.
So you understood the difference both, right?
Hmm.
Got it right? So be
Yeah.
careful this. Now one more. Now marks is there. Now we can put it into uh, 35, 45 something. Now
Hmm.
one row is inserted. Clear now?
Yeah.
XX underscore students.
Students.
This is the data is there. See 45 is there. So
Okay.
I don't want to the specific record. Now this JOD is there,
Hmm.
right? This column is
Hmm.
not required. Actually, this column is not required.
Okay.
Or else, just I am going to adding one more column that is called as a creation date. Okay,
Okay.
creation and record creation date. Record creation date should be date.
Date. Hmm.
Now it's
New date is
table has altered. Now you can check this creation date also there. Now they don't want to this creation date in the table. Client is why unnecessarily without using that column. You're asking to remove that column. How we can remove that column? Sir, what I am talking about? Only I am talking about the structure, not the data. I am talking about creation date. This date they don't want. How to remove the creation date from the table?
delete.
How to remove the creation date creation date column from xx underscore suppliers table, xx underscore student table. How we can do?
Delete.
Sir, delete is going to working for data. Delete is only you can able to delete the data,
Okay.
not the
Table.
structure. So
Okay.
what we can do? Alter table name. Name of the table. Table name. What we can do? Drop.
Less.
Drop
Drop.
column.
Okay.
Column. Drop
Okay.
column. That's enough. Now tell me how we can do. Alter table xx
X
underscore
student.
students.
Drop.
Students. Drop column name. Sorry.
Drop.
Drop column
Name.
name.
Hmm.
Column underscore name. Now tell me. Drop
Drop.
column
Creation date.
creation date. Creation date. See, table is altered, right? Xx underscore student. Now see this. Is there? Creation date is there?
Yeah.
No, right?
Yeah.
No. How to see the table structure here? F4. F4. You can able to see the table structure. Column name, data type. Now, name.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to inserting some. Now I don't want to. Here it is. Let me go for name. S name. Insert into table name. I'm trying to inserting the data into table, right?
Okay.
What is the name? Suppose I'm trying to inserting into that. This is the name. Name. The number is going to 13. The name it is going to Sri Sri Pandit Ravish Shankar Shastri Shastri Varaprasad Prasad Prasad. How many characters are coming? Prasad.
Wait.
Hmm. It's coming, right? Prasad.
Hmm.
Hmm. Just it is going to just I am going to Prasad. Some name. Okay. Again. Now how many it is coming? More only it is coming, right? I am trying to inserting. What it is saying, sir?
Value too large for column.
Uh,
Actual 52. Maximum 30.
what is the error?
Error is value too large for column.
Actually, you created a table. The table they are using in the long back. After that, some names are coming. Okay, the name. What is the size? What is the maximum size?
30.
What is the actual size?
52.
So how much is more? 22
22.
characters are more. So now how we can do that? How to insert this name into the table? You got it right? What I'm asking.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So what we can do now?
We need to increase the
Now,
value.
yes, increase the data type value. How we can
Hmm.
increase? Are you going to drop the table and recreating the table?
We can.
No, alter only again. Alter table,
Hmm.
table name, table underscore name. So you understood, right? I am showing the scenario and trying to resolve the issue. Okay. Alter table,
Okay.
table name, modify, modify column,
Yes, ma'am.
column underscore name and the size. Okay. Alter, that is the syntax. The first one is syntax. Alter table, table name is xx underscore students.
Students.
Students modify. Hmm. Column name is what?
Yes, ma'am.
S name. S name where care to of
52.
size is going to
52.
60. 60 you can give it
Uh,
more.
okay.
Now it's now done. Now can you try now the insert statement? Previously, what is the error it is coming? Actual and minimum sizes error, right? Now, let me one second. Now can you try now? So now inserted, right? One row is inserted. What is that? XX underscore student table. Students table. Now see, the name is coming, right? Okay, clear?
Yeah.
The name is coming now. Now, I don't want to see now. If you go for click on F4 here, students table. Now, see how much size is there? Where get to? 60 is there, right? So again, my client is why we are going to unnecessarily wasting the memory. We don't want to 60. Let me come down. If it is 55, how we can decrease the size? Same syntax. If we want to increase or if you want to decrease, same only. Again, okay. Now we can use it same. Instead of 60, you can put it 50, 55. Yeah, altered. Table is altered. Now check this. Data is there. Click on F4 and you can check now F5. Only. So what are the things you did now? Next one, what we can do? See here. Now suppose I want to create how to create duplicate table with structure and data. How to create duplicate table. Duplicate table. Duplicate table with structure and data. Okay, understood? How create table? Table name is what? Students. ITC students. ITC underscore students as select star from XX underscore students. Okay, understood? Okay. So now what will happen? What is the table structure is there in XX students table and what is the data is there, everything it is going to create the dummy table again. Now see this table created as self statement. Now we can use ITC underscore students table also. Students table. Okay. Now again one more requirement. My client has asked to change the name. XX underscore students, they are asking to change the name. XX ITC students. How we can do that? Rename. Okay. Rename. Oh, new table name. Old table name, new table name we can give. ITC underscore students. Is it correct? Old new one is first and the old one is last. Oh, sorry, missing two keyword is missing, man. No, actually, the what we did correct only, that is X old one to new, Okay, right. We can do it. See now. Now, are you able to query the old table? Now? No, there is no. Okay, because it's already renamed. Okay, now you can try this XX underscore ITC underscore students table. Right, now you have got the table. So how to rename the table, you understood, right? Rename old table name to new table name. Now I don't want this table structure, all the data I want to remove it. How to remove the data?
The data you want to remove?
Permanently. Yes.
delete.
Okay. Uh, how to remove the data from table permanently. Okay, understood. Permanently. How we can remove? This is the data is there in this table. This is ITC students table is there. Some data is there here. How to remove the data permanently without affecting anything in the structure? We can do it as truncate table ITC underscore students. You couldn't get back, sir. Once it is truncated, you are not getting anything. Now table is going to truncating. Now table truncated. Is there any data? No data.
No.
Now I don't want the table structure also. How to remove the table structure from the database? Remove the table structure. Table structure from database. Clear? Yeah, tell me. Drop table name ITC underscore students. All DDL statements are implicit commits. All DDL commands are implicit commit. Understood? Now, are you able to query this table once you are dropped?
No.
No. Mean it's not possible. Once you issue the drop or a truncate, you won't get back. Clear now? So all DDL statements are implicit commit.
Implicit.
Implicit means automatically it is committed.
Okay.
What are the DDL statements here now? Tell me. Create,
Alter.
alter,
Drop.
drop, truncate,
Okay. Rename.
rename. Under alter, what are the things will come? You are using altering. What are the things you can able to do it? Add,
Drop.
drop, add, drop,
Rename.
rename, and modify.
Mod.
Okay,
Okay.
those things you can able to do it. So I hope you understood now what is the use of create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, and as the alter level, add column, drop column, rename the column, modify the size.
Yeah. Yes.
It's clear.
Hmm.
Okay. Now this is what is the difference between now tell me one more thing. We will once it will done after that using delete. Sir, now I'm going to querying one more table that is called as xx underscore xxitc underscore students table. Oh, this is not there. Students xxit students table is there, right?
Remove one D.
No
Remove
man.
one D. STUDD.
Yeah, fine. Sorry, man. Right. Now this data is there. Now I want to remove this 11, S number 11. I want to remove that record. How to remove the student number 11 records? Tell me, sir,
Student, the
how to
number left
remove?
record.
Yeah, now we can use the delete statement. How to remove the how to remove how to remove the S number as 11 record from table. How? Delete XXITC. What is the table? Students. Right. Now, if I did this, what will happen? Delete table name. All records are going to delete it. There is
Yes.
no where clause. So you have to use where clause here. Where S number equal to 11. How many records are matched 7, 11? We can able to delete those. Now it's deleted. Now we can xxitc underscore students. Now see it's removed, right?
Okay.
Are you able to find the 11th record? No.
No, no.
So can I roll back it? Roll back. ROLL.
Double F.
Roll back. Can I roll back now?
Yeah.
What happened if I roll back?
That
Yeah, roll back
all the
executed.
movement number.
Roll back is executed. Now, now you can check this. Again, 11th record is coming, right?
No, duplicate it.
No problem. Its record is coming, right?
Record is coming.
So what happened? Now, delete statement is the explicit commit. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, again, I'm going to again deleting the records. Okay. Now, again delete it. Now, can I commit now? You want to see the records? See, there is no 11 records. Can I commit now? Commit. Yeah, committed. Now, xx underscore itc
No,
xx.
ethics ITC will be.
Yeah.
Hmm.
xx itc underscore students. Now, is there? Once you
Hmm.
committed, is it possible to roll back?
No, no, no.
No. Sir, what is the
Explicit.
use of commit and rollback? So whenever you use the DML operation, it's automatically committed that up to last commit. All
Okay,
are
okay.
committed. Once you roll back up to what is the last commit is happened, after that what are the transactions you made, those all are going to roll back. Clear?
Okay, okay.
Now
So
suppose
this
I want
commit,
to do, pardon?
this commit is like a save command.
Yeah, it's save means database, it's going to permanently it
Uh,
is saved. Okay.
right, right. Okay.
Now one more is there. Now suppose I want to remove complete all the records, or else now I want to update the marks to S number. How I can update? Now actually you write the students are wrote the exam. After that in the database they updated the 55. Again they are going to corrected their question paper. Some mistakes are there. Again they corrected. Now the marks are going to 75. How we can update the system? You understood right what I'm asking?
Yeah, yeah.
See, you went the exam, you wrote the exam, you got the marks 55 marks. After that,
Hmm.
okay, in the question paper you found it. What you found? Some missing marks you found it, and you went with the you went to whom? Faculty, and you asking to add the marks for that. They are added. Now they want to update the marks into system. How we can update?
Okay. Update. Okay.
Update statement.
Mm.
Okay, update is a DML operation.
Mm.
Update table name
Okay.
XX
Manipulating.
IBC. Yeah,
Mm.
students. Students. Set column name. What you are going to updating? Marks.
Ah,
How much it is? 70. From where you are updating? Where? From which student you
S,
are updating?
S number 10.
S number 10 or anything we can take it. Okay?
Mm.
S number is 10. Okay, you can take it. 5. Yes.
Marks. MR.
Okay. Right. One row is updated. Are you clear now?
Yeah.
XX underscore
X
students.
ITC underscore student.
Yeah, sure. Now see this 70 is updated. Understood? If I
Okay.
didn't give any, see now, if there, now one thing is happening. One transaction is happened here, update. I'm going to updating one more transaction here. What is this? There is no where clause. What will happen now? If you are not putting in update statement level where clause, what will happen now?
It
It
will
is
update the 17 all the S number.
yes, all the students. Now 3 rows are
Mm.
updated. Now,
Mm.
now tell me this. Now,
Okay.
if I roll back, everything is going to roll back.
Yeah.
Now see here. Now roll back. Now roll back. Now check it. See,
Yeah.
everything is rolled back. Previously you updated the 70, right? Only single column.
Mm.
That also roll back.
Yeah.
Means what? Up to last commit, what are the things is there? All the transitions are going to roll back.
Mm.
Clear?
Okay. Clear.
So when you are going to using delete and as well as update statements, be careful with where clause.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Update, what are the DML statements? Now all DML statements are explicit commit. All DML statements are explicit commit. Okay. What are the DML statements? Delete, delete slash update. One more is sir what? Insert.
Mm.
Okay. These all are the explicit commits. So
Okay.
now you can tell me sir, what is the difference between delete and drop? Now this side is delete. What do you know? You can tell me. Delete. This is going to drop. Tell me.
Delete is the combination of drop and truncate.
Delete is a DML operation first of all.
Mm.
This is DDL operation. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Second one, you can able to read the specific records. Means we can able to use the where clause. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
able to use where clause. Where clause. Where clause. Here we can't. We can't use the drop, right?
Mm.
We can't use. One more is it's a explicit commit. This is
Implicit commit.
implicit commit. It's a sorry. It's implicit commit. What else? What else, sir? Here we can able to delete the specific record. Delete specific records. Right. In this level, tell me, sir, is it possible? No, we can able to remove permanently with complete data. Okay.
Yep.
It's removed the data permanently. It's removed the data. It's removed the data permanently. Right. Now, like that, you can check with the difference between the delete and truncate and delete and drop and truncate. What is the difference between drop and truncate? Drop and truncate. You can write it, sir, these things.
Okay.
So, what are the things are finished now? Here it is going to now. This all create, alter, drop, truncate, rename done. Insert, update, delete done. Select also, it's fine. Commit and rollback, it's done. Now grant and revoke is pending. The grant and revoke means we are giving the grant permissions to the different users. And revoke means we are taking back to the permissions. Okay.
Okay.
I will teach this in sequences at the time. So not the sequence, synonyms. When we are going to discuss synonym, at that time you can check. Okay.
Okay.
We have some arithmetic operators here. What are those? Operations. Operations means what? It's going to performing something, right? Operations. What type of operations we have? Arithmetic operators we have. Arithmetic operations. What are those? Addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and division. Okay, now tell me, select 5 plus 6 addition, okay, and then 8 minus 3 subtraction, okay, 6 divided by 3 division, 20 into multiplication, 20 into 4 from dual table. From dual means dummy table, sir. This is a one column, one row. Now what happened? This is if you execute subtraction 11, 5 to 80. So it is going to performing the some operations. So in the real time level, what we can find? Yesterday I told you line quantity into unit price means into means Into means what? Multiplication. Suppose you need the on hand quantity, how much it is available. On hand quantity, how we can get it?
Unit price into quantity.
Reserved quantity minus ordered quantity. At the time on hand quantity. On hand quantity means available quantity plus reserved quantity is nothing but a on hand quantity. Plus means addition you are going to do. Likewise, subtraction you can do, division we can do. These are all the scenarios we can do. Okay. Now select star from MP table. Here MP table is there. Okay. Now I want to pick only specific department records. Department 10 records. How we can do it, sir? For it to get all employees who are belongs to department 10. For it to get all employees who are belongs to department 10. Clear? How to write query, sir? Select star from EMP table. Now
Where?
department number equal to
10.
10. 10, yeah, we got it 10, right? Right. For it to get all employees who are belongs to 10 and 20. Uh, 10 and 20. Tell me, sir.
Select. Select.
And how we can get it? Now tell me. And department 20?
And department number 20. Equal to 20.
Correct?
Yeah.
Why? No records are coming. And means what it is doing? And means when this first condition is true, then the second condition is true, then only the data will come. If any one of the condition failed, it will not come anything.
Okay, 20 is not there in the...
What 20 is not there?
The department number, 20 is not there. Is it why that is not coming?
It's there.
Oh, 20 is there.
So what it is doing now under? See, under means what? This condition is true and this both the conditions is true, then the complete where condition is true, otherwise false.
Yeah.
So what happened now? Now see, whenever the department 10 is true, at that time 20 is false. Whenever the 20 is true, 10 is false. So finally the complete condition is false. False means no data will come. Okay. Now instead of and condition, we can write it or condition. Or means either of the any condition is true, the complete condition is going to true. See now?
Okay.
This is the way. One more scenario we have. What is the scenario? Whenever you have, you can use the in condition. In department in 10, 20. Clear? It will come.
Okay.
If
same as or.
Now same who are belongs to 10 and 20, who are not belongs to 10 and 20. Or belongs who are not belongs to 20. Tell me, sir. Not in condition, simply. Okay?
Okay. Not in.
Not in. Understood, right? Not in condition. Yeah. Now, query to get query to get all employees all employees who are earning more than 3,000. More than 3,000. Tell me, sir. EMP
Greater than sign.
where shall
Very.
greater
Shall
than
greater.
3,000.
3,000. Yeah.
Is that right? Now 3,000 is coming. Hey, it is shall greater than 3,000 only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. Now, who are in less than? Just less than.
Shall less than
More
3,000.
than, right? Now less than. You can put it into
Yeah.
less than also. These all are operations are less than.
Okay.
See now, only these people are there in less than 3,000. Now, if you want
Okay.
less than or equal to, including that also, at the time we can put equal symbol, including that also will come.
Okay.
Understood? Now 3,000
3,000.
also. If it is less than or equal to 3,000 also we can write it.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Clear.
Now less than or equal to also we can try. This is including 3,000 also will come. Now, now tell me, I want in between of 10,000 to 20,000.
Okay.
How we can do that? For it to get all employees who are belongs to who are in the range of 20,000, 10,000, who are earning between 10,000 and 20,000. Are you clear?
Shall is
EMP
greater than.
table where shall greater than or
10,000.
equal to or greater than or equal to
Greater than.
hmm,
Okay. You know 10,000. 10,000.
10,000 and shall less than, you got it right,
Uh-huh.
20,000. Is it correct now?
No, the sand.
Only these people are there.
Sir, why earlier when we use the AND command,
Uh,
there the query was false and here the query is true.
that is equal condition. This is less than greater than condition. Correct, right? Both the conditions are true only, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now this
So greater
10,000 is there, 20,000 is there. This much people only there. Can you check now how many records are there in between of 10 and 20?
than.
How many is there? Shall. 10 is there, 25,000, 3,000. 3,000 will not come because below 10,000.
Yeah.
All below
The-
3,000 records will not come, below 10,000 records will not come, and above 20,000 records will not come. Okay, understood.
Okay. Okay.
That is the
Okay.
reason we are getting this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now same scenario we can use between condition also. EMP where shall between what 10,000
And 20,000.
and 20,000. See now,
Okay. Okay.
except that this one remaining all I want. How we can get it? Except
Not
that
between.
not between simply. Okay,
Mm. Yeah.
not between. See now, all records are coming. Not between.
Got it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Now query to get whoever belongs to department to 20. Query to get okay all employees who are All employees who are belongs to 20. Belongs to 20. Belongs to department 20. Tell me, sir. EMP where the bit number equal to
20.
20. Now, my end user, I want to pass it to 30 also. Suppose I want to pass it 30 or whatever the parameter I am passing, that I want to pick. How I can pick? Simply, you can write one bind parameter here. Runtime level we can decide. P underscore D, department number, DEPT number. Clear?
Okay.
If I am executing now, it is asking 10. You can pass 10. 10 will come. If I am executing here, I am going to pass in 20. 20 will come. If I am executing
Okay.
30, 30 will come. Okay? It's a runtime parameter, bind parameter.
Okay.
Okay? Now, if I am not passing anything, what will happen at the time? Nothing I am passing. At the
Nothing
time,
will come.
why nothing will come? We need to pick all employees, right?
Hmm.
If you are not
But we are
passing
not giving any value.
anything, see, if you are not passing anything, nothing will come. But we need to pick all employees, right?
Ah.
So how we can do that? This is called as a what we can call mandatory parameter.
Okay.
Mandatory parameter. Now how to change this is optional or okay, one more thing. Before coming to here. Now tell me, sir. Now for you to get all employees, for you to get all employees who don't have the commission, who don't have commission. Tell me, sir. Commission. So let's start from EMP table. See now where it is their commission. Commission column is
Hmm.
there here, right?
Right.
Who don't have the commission, how we will get it?
Not equal to.
Where? No. Commission not equal to null. Commission is null.
Okay. It's null.
Okay. Now we are getting this. Now who have the commission? Now these all are who don't have the commission. Who have the commission? How we will get? Is not null.
Not null. Okay.
Clear
Okay.
now? Hmm.
Hmm.
So now one more thing. Now tell me how we can add now. This is now without passing, it's getting a null.
Hmm.
Nothing is coming. So what we need to do now? Now put the R condition here. R condition. Write it here. R condition in the bracket, and this is parameter is null. If I am not passing anything, which one is going to executing? This is going to executing. Okay?
Okay.
This
Hmm.
condition is true. That is the reason each and every record will come. This is a optional parameter.
Okay.
Optional parameter. Are you clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, so let's start from EMP table. I want to pick the whose name starts with A, starts with K or S. Whose name starts with
Okay.
whose name whose name starts with S. Sorry, capital S. Tell me, sir. EMP?
The percentage command.
Yeah. Where E name like okay?
Like
S
semicolon.
S percent, capital S percent. Only See, the name starts with S. Okay. Whose name ends with T? Ends with T.
Same command.
Same command, but difference is %. You name like
front.
right. T %. Sorry, percentage T. Understood, right?
Yep.
Percentage T. Now see this card end with T.
Yeah.
Anywhere is X, Z or else. Anywhere means like %. Understood,
Both
right?
side. Yeah.
Suppose what you want, Z. No one is there. Can I take X? No one is there. Anything else?
T.
Oh, I'm taking. Oh, what happened this? No, Scott is there, right?
T.
Let me
There
see.
is a gap in the colon
Right.
percentage.
Okay, I will take Z. No one is there. X also no one is there. Let me take O only. Yeah, fine. See now, Scott, Jones and Ford. Everything.
Okay.
Second letter starts with O. Second letter starts with O. How? EMP. Where? E name. Like single quote. Second letter, right? Second letter underscore O %. Underscore means it's skipping first letter and it's going to starting with second letter as O.
Okay.
It's skipping the first record and then it is going to search in second record. So it is going to working like this way. What are the things we finished and then so these all are finished, sir. I hope better we can now see this. Arithmetic null condition we checked, like condition we checked, under condition, or condition, between, not between, arithmetic operators, everything is finished. On the next session, I will start the functions. Okay? Can I save this?
Yes.
Yeah.